A powerful and unusual weather pattern is sweeping across the United States today, bringing extreme conditions to multiple regions at the same time. In the northern states, more than 11 million people are under blizzard warnings, with heavy snowfall, strong winds, and dangerous travel conditions expected. Some areas could see near whiteout visibility as winter storms intensify. Meanwhile, in a striking contrast, over 20 million people in southern and western regions are facing extreme heat watches, with temperatures climbing far above seasonal averages. Forecasters are also closely monitoring a line of severe thunderstorms sweeping through the central United States, where powerful winds and possible tornadoes could develop. Authorities are urging residents to stay alert as this rare mix of blizzards, heat, and severe storms unfolds across the country today.